A lot of people are falling into the scam of meme coin scam. Whether you are a pro or you are a beginner, then beginner is where you need to be more careful. Now I'm going to be showing some factors to you how to identify fake meme coin and how you can be able to know which of this coin is real and which is not real. Now the name of this coin is called Dasha. Now this Dasha is on the Solana blockchain, and we all know how Solana is increasing right now in the market, comparing its price with Ethereum and Bitcoin and XRP. I'll be doing another video on some cryptocurrency you need to invest your money in. So now when you check at this coin, you're going to see that the buy and the sell, there are so much of the same similar. Like the buying is at 16,000 while the sale is at 13,601. This coin was launched around, let's head back to when it was launched. So this meme coin was launched on the 18th of October. It was launched at 0.003. During that market gap, it skyrocketed to 0.02, which lots of people were trading towards it. This meme coin is old, and I'm going to be revealing to you how you can be able to identify both the scamming and the profitable meme coin. Right now, I'm going to take my time into 1 minute so that we can be able to see the profit and loss margin. Let's head over to deep over here. You can see when it was at 0.05 compared to when it was launched at 0.0003, which most people literally sold at this point over here. Now for them to sell, they will have made their own profit. You will notice that when they sold the meme coin here, some people had to still wait and they had to make their own profit while it was in this region here. Let me head over to the beginning of the coin. So I'm going to be showing you how you need to be very careful when trading meme coin. Now you see this one over here, you can see the loss. You can see how people were already taking loss over here. People already took loss over here. Probably some people would have sold their coin and gained their profits, while some would lose. But for those potential people that still have faith in this coin, had to wait when it was at this region here, and some of them bought and sold at this region as well. So it's fluctuates, and you can see another region, another trader literally did their own transaction here and they took it at a loss. Two things you need to watch out for if you want to trade meme coin. The first thing you need to go is you need to know who is holding the higher share and who is holding the lesser share. Now this part, you need to make sure that there's enough liquidity. And for this coin, the amount of liquidity is $2.1 million, which is quite fair. And now what you need to do is you need to head over to their website to check their validity, and also you need to go and check on their Twitter and see what users are saying about them. Now we're going to be using their website and Twitter to know what people are saying about them. And also what you need to do is you need to check their contract. And for you to check their contract, you have to come over to this Sol over here. This is it over here. When you click on it, the address have been copied. For their website, let's see if anything is fishy about their website. You definitely know that, oh, this is literally a scam or a meme coin that is going to rug on so many people. So this is their website. What they literally put on the website is just a trading platform, which is not justifiable yet. Now let's go and see what users are saying about them on Twitter. Now this is it. The page was founded in October 2024 and have over 5,000 followers. Well, it's still okay, but yet we need to be very careful.